Understanding the phrase, I'm in distress, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, I'm in distress. This phrase can be quite useful in various situations, and understanding its meaning and usage is essential for effective communication. Let's dive into the details and learn together. I'm in distress is a phrase used to express that someone is experiencing extreme anxiety, sorrow, or pain. This can be either physical or emotional. The word, distress, is key here, as it signifies a state of severe trouble or suffering. When someone says, I'm in distress, they are essentially conveying that they are in a difficult or painful situation and may need help or support. Understanding the context in which I'm in distress is used is crucial. This phrase is often used in situations of emergency or when someone is in dire need of assistance. For example, if someone is lost and cannot find their way back, they might say, I'm in distress, to indicate their need for help. However, it's also used in less dramatic contexts, like expressing frustration or overwhelming emotions in day-to-day scenarios. Let's look at some examples of how I'm in distress can be used in sentences. 1. After losing my way in the city, I felt like I was in distress and needed to call for help. 2. The news about the accident left her in distress. 3. When he didn't arrive on time, I started feeling in distress, worrying something bad had happened. It's helpful to know synonyms or related phrases to I'm in distress for better understanding and variation in language use. Some synonyms include I'm in trouble, I'm suffering, I'm in a bad state, I'm upset, I'm in a predicament. Understanding the phrase I'm in distress and its usage in English can be incredibly helpful in various communication scenarios. Whether you're expressing your own feelings or understanding someone else's, this phrase is a valuable addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to bringing you more useful language tips in the future. Happy learning!